Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and today we are here to talk about Pinnacle's line of advanced compounds and polishes. This is 3 different offerings that they have, 3 different cut levels to say, and I want to simplify this for the person at home or the professional. They made it so easy in regards to their abrasive lineup. You have their advanced finishing polish, you have the advanced swirl remover, and of course the advanced compound as well. Now, one of the key things to understanding which is going to be the best fit, because you don't have to use all 3 together, you could use them separately. What I personally like to do, and what I would recommend, is starting with the advanced finishing polish. Now, there are a lot of variables to paint systems. There's hard paint systems, soft paint systems, super finicky paint systems, and of course then you have your pad, your machine combination. All those things come into play as a formula that works together in harmony. But understanding which one of these 3 products are going to be the best fit is always going to help you understand the results you're trying to get. So with that, I always like to start with the advanced finishing polish, because what this will do, this will allow me to understand, with the levels of defects on the paint that I start with, such as swirls, micro scratches, things of that nature. If it's very light, then I know that I could start with this, and if I remove them, great. I don't have to go into the advanced swirl remover. Now, if I remove some, but there's still, some swirls and there's still some scratches or something light still left behind and it didn't achieve the results I was looking for originally, then I would move up into the advanced swirl remover. These are test spots that I'm performing to understand what's going to be the best formula to get the results that I'm looking for. Now, again, if I'm still not happy with that, then I need to move into the advanced compound. However, one of the things I like about all 3 of these products is they all have great finishing capabilities. So even if I had to jump into this advanced compound, and it's going to be one of those that are a heavy hitter. This is going to remove heavy defects, medium defects, and it's really going to make sure it levels the paint to its full capability for you. And with that, it still leaves a great finish. To get the full potential of shine and gloss, I'll probably want to come back and finish out either with my advanced swirl remover or of course my advanced finishing polish. And this is something that where when I perform that second step, I still want to run 2 separate test spots to see what my total outcome is going to be to reach that potential of shine, gloss, and defect free in regards to my finish. So one of the other biggest benefits of these products is they're body shop safe. So what does that mean to you? They're wax free and silicone free. And that's a good rule of thumb for being able to make sure that your waxes, paint sealants, and then of course ceramic coating of your choice is also going to bond with the paint properly after prep and application. So with that, you have your heavy to medium cut with the advanced compound from Pinnacle. You have your medium to heavy swirl remover, which is going to be the Pinnacle advanced swirl remover. And then of course, the advanced finishing polish. Now, one of the unique things I do really personally like about the advanced finishing polish is that when you have, super soft, finicky paint, this is one of those products that will get you to the result you're looking for without a headache. And in comparison to some of the other finishing polishes on the market, challenge this to what you're already using, because I gotta tell you, this stuff is amazing. I've seen the results myself, and I was very, very impressed with the ability that this product has with removing the very light haze that sometimes can be challenging, and just be able to get that perfect finish that you're looking for overall when you're done with the job to get it prepped out. So again, you have what I consider more of the 3 amigos of the Pinnacle lineup when it comes to their abrasives. You have the compound, you have the swirl remover, and you have the finishing polish. For any more information about any Pinnacle products, or of course, any of their other products such as their advanced compound, advanced swirl remover, or advanced finishing polish, visit Autogeek autogeek.com.